pre-offer documents. It's just a one-pager information. For your protection, get your home inspected. What you want to do is make sure that you assign your buyers to initial. If you have two, great. If you only have one, then maybe you can exit and get rid of the other one. But just make sure you have the initial for your clients to initial that they receive this. All right. So this form is a one pager, and this is why a buyer needs a home inspection. And it goes into detail. A home inspection is given the buyer more detailed information about the overall condition of the home prior to purchasing. In a home inspection, a qualified inspector takes an in-depth, unbiased look at your potential new home to evaluate the physical condition, the structure, the structure, construction, and mechanics system. Identify items that may need to be repaired or replaced, and estimate the remaining life usage of the major systems, equipment, structures, and finishings. Now, you may ask for a home inspection. A home inspection will only occur if you arrange for one. FHA does not perform home inspections, so you want to decide early. You may be able to make your contract contingent on the results of the inspection. Again, if you're make sure that's why you want to make sure you have your inspections during your due diligence time, during your option period. So if you find something you don't like, and you've been able to have the opportunity to do your inspections, you can back out of the contract due to something you found that you can't come to terms with the seller. Also, appraisals are different than home inspections. An appraisal is different from a home inspection and does not replace a home inspection. An appraisal estimates the value of the property for the lender. An appraisal is required to ensure property is marketable. Home inspections evaluate the condition of the home for the buyer. Please make sure you understand the difference. That may be on your test. FHA does not guarantee the value or condition of your potential new home. Now, you find problems with your new if you find problems with your new home after closing, FHA cannot give or lend you money for repairs, and FHA does not and cannot buy back the home from you. Ask the qualified home inspector to inspect your potential new home and give you information you need to make a wise decision. Okay? Radon gas tests and other safety hazards. The United States Environmental Protection Agency and Surgeon General of the United States have recommended that all homes should be tested for radon. For more information on radon testing, call toll-free National Radon Information Hotline 1-800-SOS Radon or 1-800-767-7236. Ask your home inspector about any additional health and safety tests that may be relevant for your home. Be an informed buyer. It is your responsibility to be an informed buyer. You have the right to carefully examine your potential new home with a qualified home inspector. To find a qualified home inspector, ask for references for friends, family, realtors, local licensed authorities, organizations that qualify and test home inspectors. Trek is who does ours here in Texas. But if you as an agent want to give your client some references, remember, you can go to our Facebook, our roster and look at our vendors list. But always, again, give at least 3 referrals. Okay, anytime you give referrals, don't give them 1. You give them at least 3. All right, so that's kind of good for this little cautionary tale going over here. Kind of goes over, the difference between a home inspection, also an appraisal. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. But just have them initial this and drag and put it back here. Thank you.